No, right now I think young people, a lot of them feel disconnected to the earth, and they're not getting the proper education to teach them how to live on this earth correctly. And we know that culture is the basis for them and their education and their learning.
When we go home, we are so excited for the next day that it just happened now.
Here it's more like learning on the land and learning traditions and stuff that could help their like emotional, mental, and like physical well-being just all be better.
No, it's definitely helped me grow a lot. I've definitely learned more about myself and found more comfort in who I am.
They reintroduce our people back to the earth where they can get their blood memory revigorated, oiled, so that they can find their true path on what they're going to do.